What is up, everybody? It's your favorite white boy back with another unboxing. I will be unboxing today the Clone Wars Obi Wan 1.7 scale statue, and I'm so excited because I'm getting Anakin also, and I'm getting my favorite Ahsoka Tano, and Obi Wan just came out, and he's here. And I'm so excited he's in the box of mayhem. But it's so exciting, I can't wait, because Obi Wan is not my favorite, but I like him. I like Clone Wars Obi Wan. So here we go. I can't even open it. Alright, here we go. Why do they make these things so difficult? Alright, here we go. Alright guys, here we go. You can get your stuff at Big Bad Toy Store. That's why I order a lot of my stuff. They're really good packing. Even Entertainment Earth is really good to buy toys. If you don't know, I'll put the links down in the bio so you can grab any toys you're looking for at Big Bad Toy Store or Entertainment Earth. They're really awesome. They really pack the stuff with care. Especially my stuff, you know? Yeah. Oh. Obi Wan Kenobi. Obi Wan Kenobi. If my ring light wasn't in the way all the time, and that's nice. But look at Obi Wan Kenobi. Obi Wan.
Wow.
I'm so excited. Let's open it. Let's open the Gentle Giant Obi Wan Kenobi mini bust. I can't even open it. I can't even open these things. These things are hard to open. There we go. I think I broke like half the box. Alright, let's see. I'm serious. Did I even open this? No, I did not. Are you serious right now? I can't even get this open. I should have got a knife. Are you serious right now? I should have got a knife. Oh, here we go. Got it. I got it. Let's see. Let's see if I can take it out. But yeah, I can take it. Oh, I can take it. Obi Wan Kenobi. So his lightsaber comes just like this. Nice, awesome lightsaber. This blue lightsaber from the Clone Wars. How to get him out? Of course they have to tape it. Of course they have to like keep it in there. There we go. Open it up. Okay, this is. Oh, I got 818 limited edition. There's only 3,000 made. There's always 3,000 made of these things, and it's Obi Wan Kenobi certified. Authenticity. I don't know why I said enthusiastic. Yeah, I said that. But yes, guys, so he's still available right now, so you can pick him up. Let's get General Kenobi out of the box. I can even do this. Let's see if Are you serious with these things? Thank you. I don't want to break them, but how do you get them out? Why do they make these things so difficult? There we go. Can you come out? Are you serious right now? Like, how can you get them out?
I have brought peace, freedom, justice, and security to my new empire.
There we go. Obi Wan Kenobi. Ladies and gentlemen, Obi Wan Kenobi finally got him out of the packaging. My God. Now let's unravel the lightsaber. Let's see if I can open this. Here we go. Is it in? Or is it the wrong way? No, that's the right way. Are you serious right now? Is it this way? Are you serious? Fucking hell. Are you serious? Is this what we're doing? Is this what we're doing? Can we get it? There we go. Not gonna make it. You know what I mean. Is this serious right now? There we go. Obi Wan Kenobi, ladies and gentlemen. Obi Wan Kenobi, 1.7 inch scale mini bust. I don't know why I keep saying mini scale inch bust. It's a mini bust. He's still available today. You can pick up this awesome Kenobi right now on your Big Bad Toy Store, Entertainment Earth, wherever you can find toys. Slideshow, you can get them at. You can get them anywhere they sell toys, guys. Oh, just cleaning my shit up. But yes, guys, he is available now. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of Obi Wan Kenobi, and he looks so good. Look at the details. Like, he is like you're a good-looking motherfucker, Obi Wan. You know. And then underneath, it has that. It's stamped. And now to put him with my first Clone Wars collection of him, and I'm waiting for Anakin and also Ahsoka Tano, which I'm very excited. But yes, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more unboxing. There will be more unboxing videos coming very soon. I have a lot of pins that I want to talk about, a lot of stuff that I bought, Star Wars related, and I want you to get involved in all those Star Wars things that I'm going to talk about. So thank you guys for joining me tonight. The Scavolitano Show. Make sure you subscribe. It's your favorite white boy here, back with another episode of the Scavolitano Show. Be kind to one another, and may the Force be with you always.
In my life, when you find people who need your help, you help them, no matter what.